Today, let's learn how to deactivate our Instagram account twice in 1 week. Well, you may ask, why would you want to do this? Well, of course, because by default, Instagram won't let you deactivate your account twice within 1 week because it only permits you to do it once. And you have to do it like one more time. In order to do that, actually, you have to wait for 10 days to do so. So basically, in the editorial, I'm going to teach you just how to do it for the second time in a row. All right, first of all, of course, let's head on to our preferred browser, because technically this won't work on the Instagram app and it won't permit you to do so. So first of all, of course, once you head on to Instagram.com on your preferred browser, you have to log in to your account. The next thing you have to do, of course, is to hit on Edit Profile over here. Once you scroll down to the very bottom, we have the option to temporarily disable our account. Now, in the instance that we have already disabled our account, and we want to do it one more time since we have reactivated already, and then we want to deactivate it one more time. All we have to do to deactivate it again is to head on to our settings. Head on over to Date and Time over in General over here. Click on General Head and over to Date and Time, and then uncheck, or rather just click on the Set Automatically option, and of course turn that off. And then you have to click on the date, and then actually fast forward into like more than 10 days, maybe 2 weeks or so, just to fool the app in order to think that it has that 20 or rather 10 days has passed already. So for this example, let's just move to around 31. That's more than enough, and let's just basically do that just to be sure. So once that's done, of course, all you have to do is to hit back head on to the account once more, and of course, just do the same things. Head on to your account profile, click on Edit Profile, scroll down, and you should be able to disable your account one more time and enjoy the features rather well. Disable your account basically and deactivate it, and basically you don't have to wait for 10 days anymore. Alright, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.